This is terracotta pot. In this video we will learn how easily we can decorate it at home. First I will apply base color on it. For that I need to do marking. So for marking I have taken a ball from my kitchen and will cover it in this way. And now see the magic, how easily I am able to make a circle on it. You also try this hack and comment me how did you find it. So now it's coloring time. This part I am going to cover with white color. I am using acrylic paints here. Use a flat brush, then you will not get so many brush strokes, and do double coating to remove brush strokes. Here I am going to add black pearl color. Again I am using flat brush here. So in this way base color is complete. For next step I am going to use molded clay. I have taken only half amount from both the packets and mix both the compound nicely. Use talcum, then it will not be sticky on your hands. Mix it nicely, then make small 3 balls for eyes, nose and mouth. Press the balls little bit in this way and let it dry. Rest of the clay we will use to make nose. So with the help of a scale, first make a triangle. Now stick it on the pot in this way. Now we will give shape to nose. Use back side of pencil to make nose strills in this way. To make a proper shape of nose, lift it upside with the help of fingers in this way. Then let it dry at least 4 to 5 hours. Now we will add a layer of texture white on eyes and nose, or you can apply gesso or acrylic white color paint. Now on cheeks I'll add some design. For that I need to draw circles. So to draw circle I am using 2 objects. Here I will draw 2 circles. One is small and one is big. So for that I have taken these 2 objects. So in this way we will add circle. Just watch carefully how I am doing. You will get the idea. Connect 2 curved lines till the nose with the circle. Similarly, we will draw on right side. Here I need to draw a circle. For that again I am using a ball. Different size of balls from my kitchen I have taken to make circles on this pot. Here I am going to draw Warli art. In this way we will complete the circle. Sketching part is complete. Now we will add colors. In this way we will color it. Now I will use my micron pen to complete the Warli art. First with the pen I will complete outline. If you are comfortable you can complete this step with acrylic paint also. Here on cheek also we will add some motifs. color it with black color. Have some patience with coloring part. Do all the steps slowly with neatness. Here my golden color was out of the nose, so I will cover it. Highlight the eyes nose in this way. Add some more detailing. Now I will use my mandala tool to add some dots. If you don't have mandala tool, no worries, you can do this step with matchstick. If you want to learn dot mandala, I have uploaded step-by-step tutorials on my channel. You can check my channel playlist or can click on I button. In this way we will complete the dots. Here I got some blackness because I use pencil for sketching, so I will erase those pencil marks with the help of this eraser. Do this step after 5 to 6 hours of coloring. And finally lock it with varnish. Varnish will protect our pot from dirt and dust and will give it a glossy look. And finally I will use this kind of rope and these beads. So I will use blue color rope here. Take this rope in 2 parts in this way and tie it. Beads in this way. And this is our final product. Hope you like this tutorial. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.